In this video, I'm going to help you find the first derivative of this function here, f of x equals the natural log of x plus e to the x plus e plus x to the e plus ln e to the x. So let's look at these one at a time. So f prime of x is equal to, well, the natural log of x has derivative 1 over x. And to that, we're going to add the derivative of e to the x, which is just e to the x. What about e? Well, this is just a constant. Like, say, 5 or 12. And the derivative of 5 is 0, or of any constant really would be 0. I can just replace this, excuse me, I can just replace this with a c for a constant. All right, so for this one, I'm just going to add 0 plus, well, again here, this e is also a constant. So this one here is similar to like x cubed, in which you'd apply the power rule to evaluate its derivative to get 3x squared. So similarly, we're going to apply the power rule. This e goes up front, and we end up with e times x to the e minus 1 power. All right, and finally this one. So we could apply the chain rule to get plus 1 over e to the x times the derivative of the inner one, e to the x. Alternatively, you could notice that ln of e to the x is equal to x, and the derivative with respect to x is just, of x is 1. And we're going to get the same thing here. This is just going to be 1. So either way, this one can be done a couple ways, either using the chain rule or simplifying this using algebra first. All right, so let's rewrite all this. F prime of x is equal to 1 over x plus e to the x plus e times x to the e minus 1 power plus 1.